Hello guys, and welcome back. So in this video we want to send our video message. Okay, so to send our video message we need to have some videos, and maybe let's also put some images inside the emulator. Okay, because I've removed my real device. All right, so let's just go ahead and do that really quickly. So let's minimize this, and then here I've got Android Studio open up. So this is the same project opened up in Android Studio. Okay, to add the images and videos inside our emulator we need to use Android Studio. So just make sure that your emulator is open. Okay, once you open up your emulator you can go ahead and minimize it. Okay, and then here you want to go on the view, tools, windows, and then scroll down to device explore. And then here you need to come all the way down to SD card, and then here you can come on the DCIM here, and then right click and then click on upload. Okay, here now you can navigate in your computer where you've stored your images or videos. So for me, I'm going to go to my downloads folder, then I've saved them under this folder which is demo files. So I'm going to minimize it, and then now I'm going to copy to get all of these, and then I'm just going to click OK. So now they are uploaded. Okay, great. So that's how we upload the images. We can go ahead and close that. So for the videos we do the same. We just go on a view, and then tools, and then device file explore, and then here we come on the movies here, right click and then upload. So I've saved mine in this same folder. I'm just gonna get that and then upload. All right, so now that it is done we can go ahead and close that, and then that's it. So now all we need to do is just to exit the emulator, and then also we can close Android Studio, and then once we restart the emulator, maybe sometimes you just need to wait a bit, but now the files are in our emulator. We can use them the way we want to use them.